Hello and welcome back to Bonafide Acoustics. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are looking at BGVP DMG. We will have a short introduction of DMGs and why I am still insisting of getting these DMGs at even in 2020 or 2021 because what they do is quite good, and it is hard to beat if you can get it at certain price point. If you can get these IMs around 70 to $80, I guess you can get these IMs around this amount. Then these are great. To be honest, these are literally very great for that amount specifically. So it comes with six drivers, two dynamic driver and four balanced armature. The dynamic driver is of single shape, and it has two coils in one whole package. So it's not like it has one dynamic driver over here and one over here. Rather, it has two in the same shell with two different coils. The balanced armatures are situated over here and here and here, over here and here. So two for the mids and two for the highs. The balanced armature are, I don't know if they have specified which are they, but these are quite good. So sensitivity is around 110, impedance is around 18, 15 hertz to 45 kilohertz. The frequency response. So these are pretty standard and good IEMs which you can run even over some mobile phone. They do not scale, they do scale with the source, but not very much. And apart from that, I will be reviewing the BGVP DM8 pretty soon. So do check that out. So it comes, I have ordered that different colored version, a very standard package. The manual and the warranty, I guess. Yeah. The warranty card. This is the manual. Okay, it does come with other language. Thank God, because I was only seeing Chinese. Wow, it comes with Portuguese, Italian. Well, you can read it afterwards. How to insert an MMCX connector. Well, this is in Chinese. So that's the. Let's grab the IMs out first. So the reason why they were hyped at when they came was because it had many drivers in such a low price point, and the second reason was these do have a very good tonal accuracy. By accuracy, I meant that the timbre is quite okay, quite good, not okay, and it has changeable filters. Yeah, I forgot about that one. So comes with this pretty great cable. This is by far the best cable I can say I have seen and I am in this price bracket. The reason why I say it is great is not because it is quite simple and straightforward, but the reason is it is great because it is quite soft. It doesn't retain its shape. It is better than many of the cables I have seen. By far the better ones, among the better ones, it is. It has a chin slider, quite usable chin slider, not quite hard or not quite soft, and the cable is quite good. If you are getting this IM with this cable, it is very good cable, very good cable. I tend to like cables that are soft, do not retain its shapes, do not have microphonics, and it fits every bit of price, every bit of what you can say specifications. So the IEM comes with pretty standard tips, nothing to write home about, nothing specific, nothing very extraordinary, standard tips. So yes, let's put them aside. These are the IEMs. So I have ordered the red and blue version. You can get them in all blue or you can get them in all red. It's up to you. These have interchangeable filters. The filter that are currently installed is the mid-centric filter or the neutral filter they are saying, which is not neutral in my opinion, but it is neutral. These are the balanced armature nozzles, I guess. Some people have said that the these grip of the what you can say the screws and the rotating part got useless after some times, but I can clearly say that these are perfectly fine with me and I have not faced any issues regarding the screw and tightening of the things. So what these sound like? Well, these have a mid bass emphasis which is quite high, and you can tune them easily. These are the reason I am recommending these IMs are they are very easy to tune, very easy to EQ. Just give them some time, and you will be able to recognize what their cons and what their pros is, and how you can go around them. So if you just EQ them a bit low on their mid bass and enhance their sub bass around 40 to 30 hertz, these will shine like really good. These are V-shaped IEMs. They are treble focused. So the only problem I have with these IEMs is that they are mid bass focused. They have somewhat a forward mid bass with a forward treble, and by treble forwardness I mean that they have a 8K spike and they have a quite harsh treble. The treble timbre is not very great, but you won't get any good IEMs even at $200 price point. No, you will get good IEMs, but at this price point, you won't find IEMs with good treble response, good treble timbre, as far as I have tested. So these do have a very forward brightest treble. If you are into brightest treble or into bright forward sounding IEMs, these are the one. But they have very forward or very strong mid bass, so that will give you an issue, and that can have a certain impact. But these are literally quite good, apart from the mid bass emphasis. So what you can do if you want that mid bass to be eliminated, well, these are the other tuning filters. The golden ones are the one that has bass, more bass to it. The bass is not um, getting focused, rather than they have a foam or sort of a blocking that de-emphasizes or makes the treble somewhat tamed, so that um, mid bass or the bass gets slightly back, the slightly forward. The reason why is that the treble gets somewhat controlled. So these are their um, other tuning filter, the silver ones. And as the reason why you are seeing no grill over there is because I have removed the grills, and I am not using the grills or placing the grills because they are just grills. So I remove them to just see how much travel they can shoot up, and they really can shoot up quite a lot travel. So these are my initial impressions of the BGBP DMG, and in my opinion, they are worth it in their own region. If you want a brightest IMM, these are quite beautiful too, and the cable is quite good. And the imaging and the staging is also, the stage is not very wide, but the imaging is quite good. In the full review, I will talk about if it's worth it or not, or whether you should see other IMs. Apart from that, do check my older videos out. And thank you for listening to Bonafide Acoustics.